1. Rebuild.
Our autonomous period is underway. That is 20 seconds of pre-programmed instructions for these robots. We have lots of movement from the Blue Alliance, 3940 making their way back from the neutral zone with the robot full of fuel, rapidly firing along with their alliance partners, 3494 into that hub. Over on the Red Alliance, we have Team 447 coming back from that neutral zone with a round of fuel, getting ready for teleoperative period to send those to the hub. We have 10 seconds of that transition period. Both hubs are active, but teams are going to focus on getting that fuel in the middle of the field. The name of the game is access to fuel. We're trying to get as much fuel on each respective alliance's side as possible. That can drastically change the points in this game. Right now, the Red Alliance hub is activated. We're seeing 10-4-1-1 making their way back to their side of the field over that bump with their alliance partners, Team Roboto, facing a little bit of defense from 3865. Around the Blue Alliance, we have an active hope now, 3940, shooting those fuel within their robot into the hub with a little defense from 9530. They're trying to knock Cybertooth and their alliance partners off course, trying to alter the path of that fuel going into the hub. Lots of fuel going in the air right now for the Blue Alliance as they enter in the last couple seconds of their activation and their shift. Going over to the Red Alliance, we have Team 447 attempting to collect fuel from the middle of the field and go back to their hub. Again, teams can only score in that hub if they're on their respective alliance's side. So teams are trying to get as much fuel as possible on their side before their shift starts. That's why we can see 3940 Cybertooth shuttling those fuel over to their side, preparing for the Blue Alliance activation. Right now, Blue Alliance has almost double the score of the Red Alliance, 206 points for Blue, 105 for Red. Still 40 seconds left in the match. Both alliances have hit that goal of 100 fuel scored for the energized ranking point. That will help all 6 teams on the field move up in the ranks as their ranking point averages go up. On the Blue Alliance, we are seeing lots of action in that neutral zone, fighting for fuel in these last 30 seconds of the game. Let's see what last-minute fuel can be scored in those hubs, and if anyone decides to climb the tower. Again, tower points 10, 20, and 30 for the levels, respectively. There's 5 seconds left in the match. We're ending this match in 3, 2, 1. And that is the end of qualification match number 43. Let's give a huge round of applause to all 6 of the teams in that last match. 141 points for the Red Alliance. They had 191 fuel in teleop, 53 in auto. Blue Alliance earned 4 ranking points. They got that energized 100 fuel threshold ranking point. That moves 3865 and 3494 up.